Let's start and learn how to create LinkedIn account step by step. First step is go to www.linkedin.com. You must have Gmail account or other personal business email. If you don't know have email, so create your Gmail account first. The link is coming up in the card above and you will also find video link it in the description. Tap join now is it the top right corner. Then enter your email address that you have. Then enter your secure password which you feel comfortable to remember. Then tap agree and join. Enter your first name and last name. Then click on continue. Enter your country and enter your city. Then click next. Type in your job title and the company. For example, Google, Amazon, Upwork, Fiverr, Twitter, YouTube, etc. at which you work. Then click continue. Now LinkedIn send a confirmation email. Open the email from the LinkedIn messages sender and copy code. Then paste it here. Then click on agree and continue. Second way is click on agree and confirm your email. This button below in the email box. Now set up your LinkedIn account with your current information like put your city, country, phone number and your own profile picture and then send 5-6 connection requests to your desired person. Then click on add continues. Then click the add photo and select photo from your computer and edit photo on your requirement, crop, resize. Then click save photo. Last step is tap finish. That's it. Now you are at professional platform with your business showcase account. Best of luck.
There is also a problem with this video. So ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.